Okay, this is our first project. I will try to show how we can use a Raspberry Pi as a normal office machine. Okay, as we will see now here, what we are going to use besides the system is an HDMI cable which I have connected to my high definition screen network. I have a keyboard and I have a USB hub which is connected right here with a white cable, on which I have plugged my mouse, and sometimes what depends on what I want to do, I connect also a USB stick. Okay, so I'm gonna add the SD card to the Raspberry Pi. This one has a Debian version called Raspbian Wheezy, and this is also very important. After I have installed everything to the system, then in the end I connect the power supply with a micro USB, which, as I told, is as I said, it is a 5 volt 1.2 ampere. Okay, and now we will see how it will boot. It has already started. A Raspbian, that means core of a Debian, but it is a cut it down version for the Raspbian. Booting sequence should be ended anytime now. Okay, and here we're in login, where I log in with a username and the password. In the beginning, out of the box, the username and the password is username Pi, and the password is Raspberry with double R. And I'm going directly to the graphic environment. This is the one. Pretty fast, pretty easy, as you can see. Okay, generally speaking, in an office machine, what we need is an office suite, a mail client, and a browser. In this case, when it comes to office suite, a very good option is the LibreOffice. Right now I'm loading the LibreOffice writer. It has this is a special version for the Raspberry Pi, and nevertheless it has all the features that we are going to need in order to accomplish our work. Okay, so let me magnify a little bit the size of the fonts. Pretty fast, pretty okay. Okay, I will shut down. No, I don't want to save, discard. As a mail client, I have the close mail. It's very light application, and light applications is exactly what we want here. Okay, I have connected my personal email account, and it's working fine. I send mails, no problem. And when it comes to internet browser, the program that it comes with the specific distribution is Midori. Midori is also a light browser. Okay. It has the basics. I can log in, for example, to search CH. The speed is okay. It's not as fast as a very powerful machine, but I can do my job pretty easily. What I don't like is that Raspberry Pi doesn't support flash players, so that means that we're going to lose a lot of things, for example YouTube, and this is something that I have found after I bought it, which is not so much time, so many days ago, but it's okay. A small hiccup or a speed bump. For another application that I want to show in order to see how fast is the system, is I have installed MAME emulator in my Raspberry. And MAME is the multiple arcade machine emulator where it simulates games. I have to show you two. One is the Riger from 1986. It's a guy that he walks and runs with a pair of scissors and he kills all the bad animals and creatures that he finds in his path. I just want to show a little bit to see how really fast it is. It actually feels exactly as it was the arcade back in 1986. Okay, that's enough. And the other one is also a very famous game with an airplane, 1942. Comes from 1984. With a solo airplane that it goes from one stage to the other, and he must shoot down all the enemy's aircraft. Okay, makes a loop also. It's exactly the same. Oops, they got me. As it was the original machine. Okay, and pretty much this is how it shows Raspberry Pi using it with a graphics environment as an office machine. Let's go to the next project.